Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video guys, I will be teaching you guys now locals and printing. So printing, it's not actually gonna, like, right now since we're in Roblox Studio, it's not actually gonna print it like up on top anywhere since we're in Roblox Studio, but it's gonna actually print it in the output. So, and let me just tell you what locals and printing are. So locals give variables to anything, like literally. They give variables to anything. So last video we learned all the properties, the other properties that I know, and Boolean values. We also learned Boolean values, true and false. Also learned those, but yeah. Wait, wow. What is format? Anyways. So we're gonna be teaching locals and printing. So printing is basically typing words in the game, and locals give variables to a word or 2 words or 3 words or 4 words, any words. So yeah. Wait, is the thing still there? Nope. Okay. So let's go on ahead and start teaching you. So first you actually want to go in view and then open the explorers and properties right there, and if you want, open the toolbox and object browser. I don't really care if you open the object browser and toolbox, but object browser is actually pretty good because it shows you all the items in the game. And so if you go to P part, yeah, right here, part. So the pink ones are like built-in functions, and then the blue ones are yeah, we won't be getting on built-in functions right now, but the blue ones are all properties, and the lightning bolts are events. Well, we'll be getting in events in like later videos. So yeah. So what we're gonna be doing is we're just gonna be writing -- so locals and printing. So the print is pretty obvious. You don't actually do you don't put an uppercase P in and say hello, this is my game. You don't put an uppercase P because if you run the script, it will have an error because this is in line 1 because it says 1 right there, and line 1. So what we did wrong is we didn't we put the P uppercase. We actually have to put it lowercase. Yeah, just like that. It says right there. So to print, you just have to do a lowercase p and then just write print. And then what you want to do is brackets, and then it automatically comes to brackets. Don't worry about all of these, but just then add text marks, speech marks, like that. Just have to press Ctrl and then the button beside enter, and then you would just write anything you want here, like hello or something, and then see, it will run. Because I did it lowercase p, it will run in the output. Hello. Don't worry about this. This was from the last one, just like 2 seconds ago. So now, as you see, hello. It typed in hello because we did the right thing. We did everything right. So, but you can't do print and only brackets and then hello. Then it won't know what hello means. Because printing without speech marks is basically printing other things than just writing something that will run a script of writing into your world. So they right now probably think that hello is probably a printing function. You didn't know that yet, but a printing function or something like that. But so it's not because there is no function in the script. I could have added one, but you won't understand because like for functions you need to learn locals and instances and all that. So yeah, you learn now printing is print brackets, speech marks, and then hello, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, whatever. So that's all. So now we're gonna go on to locals. So this is the first thing that we've done that's not properties. This is the first episode that we've done that is not properties or something. This is locals and printing. So you don't write locals. I mean, wait. You don't write locals. I just wrote it because like, yeah, you need a bunch of locals. You don't write locals, you only write local. So then, well, if you have the black effect, it will turn red. If you have the white studio effect, then it will turn blue. Blue. So what you want to do is local. That's how you spell it, LOCAL. Right now, it has a red line because it doesn't know what to give you a value and what it's worth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put. So let's see. So what's part? What's part in this? So okay, so this part. So let's just create a variable of part, and then what we do, you can space this out. You have to actually space it out. Then you do space equals sign space local part, and then you can here you can enter what it means. So game local part is gonna equal the part in the workspace. So what we're gonna do is game, like I teach you, game.workspace.part. That's what part is gonna equal. So now part has the value of game.workspace.part. So this is local. This part word means this part in the workspace. Well, this is the workspace, but this is the explorer, but it's the workspace in the game. So part equals game.workspace.part. You won't write game.workspace.anchor or something like anchor or something like that. You won't write that, alright? So you don't put anything at the end, you just do game.workspace.part. No, you don't have to do that, but I just did it just to be simple. And then now I can change the properties. This is an easier way of changing properties of the part. So if I keep on changing properties like game.workspace the position or something, position, wait, I didn't write part, the part dot part, the part dot position equals you don't even know this, guys, but I'm just showing you. Okay, no, it's just the part dot position equals vector 3, vector 3. I'm just showing you the position. New, and then bam, no, bam, 5 stones off the ground, bam, something like that, I would be writing so much code here. Like I'd be writing so much code. But locals give you like a shortcut. So if I do part dot game, so if I do part dot position, only part, this will be changed into part, only part. It would still be a good one, because if I didn't have this local, like if I didn't have it, it wouldn't understand what part means, because if you don't have a local, then you have to do game.workspace.part. So we have to have a local to make a shortcut of it. So, but I haven't teach to position, so alright. Now I teach to just do dot position equals vector 3 dot new and then space brackets and then anything in numbers, but you have to do command code. And there are only 3 numbers, so yeah, I teach position and all that. So now you have learned local and printing. But I also want to teach you what else you can do only on game.workspace.part. So let's just look through our workspace main system. So actually I don't have really anything else to teach you. So since I don't have anything to teach you, let's just create a script out of what we have learned. So let's just create a script. Wait. Okay, so local game. So don't worry what I'm writing. You don't even have to listen to this. You don't even really have to watch this part now. We didn't really learn everything, so actually, never mind. I'll do this in another video because I'll be adding an instance in my thingy, and in an instance, and if like I'd be adding so much things. A real script has like an if, a then, a while, a repeat, a while, a repeat, and then until, and then no, I already did that. It even have a function. It has a function. It has a local. It has all these things are like which you still have to learn. Like this all that I just highlighted, you still have to learn all of it. Like you haven't learned right now. So I'll be teaching this to you. Oh yeah, and also there's N2 and all those, but you don't have to learn this yet. And yeah, that's all for today's video, locals and printing. So have a safe day, have a safe life, make sure to keep on watching my scripting video, because this will help you to create a game, like a shooting game. So yeah, please stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.